this way. Let's stretch it.
And for spar everything.
Oh, your muscles are not ligadas. So it's restricting the motion in your spine. So I have to do a slow adjustment. Right. Relax.
Okay.
Yeah, yes.
Napawisan ako.
It's okay. You're feeding ants. They need water anyways.
Don't pull it hard.
Don't pull it hard.
No, pull it hard.
Oh, you want to pull it? Oh,
Yeah.
sige. I'll do that. No problem.
I always for spar everything.
That's okay. I ain't worried about it. Doesn't bother me. There you go. And this one right here. Got it?
Oh,
Now, the way you like it.
yes.
Mouth closed, you bite your lips. 1, 2, and there you go. Done.